SA Recycling, a recognized leader in its industry, processes millions of tons of metal each year in more than 120 recycling centers across the United States.
Our business revolves around taking metal in from industrial processes and from the average consumer, aggregating that metal, sorting it, grading it, and selling it back to the mills. Typically in my day-to-day, we run all of IT infrastructure, all of cybersecurity. That includes all network infrastructure, all voice infrastructure. We have a small team attempting to administer quality of service that is useful to the company. With that few people, it can be quite difficult.
To keep material moving through the system, the company depends on an extensive IT infrastructure, and they needed a solution to dramatically improve network uptime and branch connectivity.
Over the years, I had been looking into different SD-WAN solutions, but never really impressed. I took the demonstration based on a recommendation, expecting not to be impressed again. That was not what I took away from it, and I knew immediately when I used the product that this is what they've been promising for all these years.
SA Recycling turned to Palo Alto Networks Prisma SD-WAN to simplify network operations and allow the team to deploy and integrate new branches with ease.
One of the major first benefits is that of being able to have multiple live connections and have it swap streams between the connections, so we can have two primary connections and a backup connection, or one primary and a backup. And most of the time it is a seamless event. A user might notice a small hiccup. If they're in a very sensitive application, it may disconnect. However, it's immediately back and available.
Security is a high priority for SA Recycling, and Prisma SD-WAN has improved the organization's security posture and outcomes, not only on the network, but in other useful ways.
I would say the one application that transformed the most was our remote video surveillance. Most of our facilities are in older industrial areas, usually easy picking for someone who wants to attempt to steal something. So we heavily utilize video surveillance, remote guard capabilities, and combining the networks and bringing it to a modern broadband or DIA standard allowed us to increase camera count, increase visibility of the facilities, and at the end of the day, it really did result in fewer incidents of theft or vandalism.
With Palo Alto Networks as a trusted partner, Prisma SD-WAN has delivered robust, seamless, and secure networking across the organization and frees up the IT team to tackle other challenges.
It's just like everyone, we're knee-deep in projects all day long. So I think what the Prisma SD-WAN product does is, once the rollout is complete across the environment, the reduction in tickets, the reduction in the need to touch it every day, really will allow us to focus on the bigger, more pressing issues across our infrastructure.